Hello everyone, my name is Jason, and welcome to this Word of the Day video brought to you by MainStreetEnglish.com. In this Word of the Day video, let's talk about and use the verb expand. Expand. Expand is a verb and it means to make larger or to give more detail on a subject. Let's practice using expand in a few sentences. There are plans to expand the airport. She plans to expand the lecture series into a book. Blowing air into a balloon will cause it to expand, but if you blow too much, it will explode. Look for opportunities to use the verb expand in your everyday English usage. I'm Jason from MainStreetEnglish.com. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to receive notifications of new English video lessons created by Main Street English. Thank you and see you next time.